Well, good morning, guys. We are getting ready to head down and jump in Billy's truck and head out to down to Tennessee to get loaded. Went down Friday, I think it was. Got the transmission for a Fireball. We are on our way back. Just stopped and went down and got the transmission for a Fireball. We're stopping here at Shears to get us a sandwich on our way home. They don't have nothing overly fancy in Shears, but it is a good place to stop and get you a ham sandwich. Look at that thing. That sucker's huge. They load you up with the meat and all the goodies. One freshly rebuilt transmission and a Fireball. Hopefully in the next day or two, Fireball will be ready to run again. I don't know if I'm gonna get back in and switch back to Fireball and run Fireball the rest of the week after it's done or what, but we're gonna run Billy's truck up to Chicago and back at least once this week. We'll see how the rest goes. Let's start the old man's truck while we're at it. Assuming he's leaving today. I also forgot my GoPro at home. I didn't remember everything else that I forgot last week, so I guess win some, lose some. Ooh, that's like a trail. I had to pull up a little bit. Why, it's important not just so it goes flying underneath your trailer. Look at that. Lower that sucker down. That looks more gooder.
Post on X welcoming Hillary Clinton to the club. President Trump also praising the golfer last night.
Well, I have to congratulate Rory. This is a tremendous guy. She was
Latched in there. Check back here. Latched there. We're good. Let's go through, put a gander on. Nice shiny new brake drums. Look at there. Brake drums are rusted, new brake pads. There you go. Living the high life on this one. Look at the big Kenworth shop you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Kenworths. I don't know. Maybe Wednesday when we get back through, we might swing through and get Fireball and get Fireball and Mac back. Even though we're pulling a Mac, if it ain't Mac, take it back. But get back in Fireball. Try out the new 13 speed, or the rebuilt 13 speed, not new, but that'll be fun. But we got to get to Tennessee, get loaded, and get back up to Chicago. The rate we're going, we might beat the old man. All right, let's go see if, hey, look at that good looking guy right there, dadgum. Go see if we can find somebody to get loaded here. Jason, where you at? Where you at, Jason? Confirmed kill. Finish him. Not going anywhere. Let's go to Chicago. Quick stop by the Chinese place. Give me some Chinese food for the road. got a 62 on the menu. Shrimp and vegetable with white rice. Gonna put that in the refrigerator for later. Gonna try a piece though, real quick. Hot. Good. Hot, but good. I'll put that in the fridge for later and eat that tonight for dinner. So we got some crab rangoon and some chicken on a stick. Road snacks are important, but I'm kind of on a diet, so this is lunch. Proper terminology when you're on a diet. Well, we're at the Resteria before we get to Chicago on 57. Get out and do a quick walkabout. Stretch my legs a minute. We live in the 70s on 7. Pretty sure I was just born at the wrong time. I mean, technically I'm older than my parents. I mean, look, you see, make sure still got all 18 tires. Make sure we got most of everything still on the trailer. I think nothing came off. Looks like it's all the same spot. It's a little cool out there. We're gonna get back there and warm us up some dinner. Kind of hungry. With any luck, tomorrow we'll go flawless. We got to go unload and go get reloaded back towards St. Louis. And I know we won't get unloaded tomorrow, but Wednesday we'll have to reload, come right back up here. To reload, go right back down there. And on the way back, we're going to drop Billy's truck off. And then next week after Easter, we'll be back in Fireball. But we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Y'all stay safe out there. God bless you, and we'll catch you later.